In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft. Outlook is not responding on Windows 11. If Outlook seems frozen and you're unable to continue working, one quick thing you can try is recalling a message if the issue is happening right after you sent the wrong email and Outlook is still partially responsive. I'm going to walk you through the exact process slowly so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your Windows 11 computer. Give it a moment to fully load. If Outlook is moving slowly or appears stuck, wait a few seconds before clicking anything, since sometimes the app is just temporarily busy syncing emails in the background. Once Outlook is open, go to your Sent Items folder. You'll usually find this in the left-hand navigation pane. Sent Items contains the emails you've already sent, so this is where you need to go to locate the message you want to work with. After that, find the email you want to recall and double-click it. This is important because the message needs to open in its own separate window. If you only single-click it, Outlook may just preview the email, and that won't give you access to all the actions you need. When the email opens in its own window, look for the three dots, which usually represent more options. Click those dots to expand the additional menu. Depending on your Outlook version, the layout may look slightly different, but the three-dot menu is where you'll typically find extra commands that aren't shown right away. From that menu, click Actions. This opens a list of message-related options. Then select Recall this message. If that option appears, click it to begin the recall process. Keep in mind that recalling a message does not always work in every situation. It usually depends on whether the recipient is using Microsoft Outlook in the same organization and whether they have already opened the email. So if the recall option is available, it's worth trying, but it may not guarantee that the message is removed. If Outlook is still not responding properly while you try this, be patient and allow each window a little time to load before moving to the next click. Going too fast can sometimes make the program feel more unresponsive. That's the process for opening Outlook, finding your sent message, and using the recall option through the Actions menu on Windows 11. Follow each part carefully, and you should be able to complete it without confusion.